also I'll be telling about closing the loop, because all this data, all this analysis is very good for some human to analyze, but it's good, it's important, especially to close some kind of control loop within the network. And RuiCale networks are a very, very special place to show this, because these networks are a good example of how dynamic networks can be, and we can't have people controlling them. So we need to collect data, we need to analyze it, and we need to take decisions and then enforce them to the network and close this kind of control loop for optimizing, really, for organizing the network. 5G provides some means and some standards for doing this from the beginning.
One important element or system or set of systems is the NWDAF, the Network Data Analytics function. It is a number of functions that is in charge of taking up all measurements, all information, collecting it, and then doing the analytics that can be done according to use cases. You can take data from other network functions. You can take data from the user plane, from the control plane, from the OAM, and even from the external environment. And then that analytics will end up as notifications, as analysis reports that are delivered to the network functions, and those network functions on the 5G core will make decisions based on those notifications, on those analysis. We have done an example of this. This is a very wide area, because you can have a lot of use cases. We have implemented a very simple use case, which I'll show you. So we instantiated basically a network. We have an UPF, which we instantiated with travel ping, a 5G core with Open 5GS, and then the OAM, we implemented it using TIGStack. We instrumented somehow UPF to generate IPX records for the traffic that it is delivering. So these records will be delivered to the OAM, in this case to Telegraph. Telegraph will produce aggregated data that is delivered to the NWDAF. The NWDAF then, in this case, implements a very simple use case. This use case is just, we are assuming that that little car there is traveling around, and then some kind of priority platoon, for instance, arrives and has some special needs, and then we can very surgically take decisions and notify the PCF, and the PCF is the policy control function, so it's in charge of policies for the whole network, and I mean policies user by user, service by service, not general network policies. And then the PCF will set up a rule on the session management function, and this the session management function will enforce that rule over the sessions that are already on the network. So we are doing this session by session, user by user, and this actually closes the loop. We detected in this simple use case, we detected the platoon entering the area, generated a notification, and somehow changed the behavior of the network with who was already there. You can watch this in detail, this demo in detail, in video and on the YouTube channel of Floyd.